got myself a Dreamcloud mattress. I didn't pay for it. They sent it to me for the purposes of doing a review, and there is no agreement in place. Everything I say is my own honest opinion. Dreamcloud, who are the sister company to Nectar, have no input at all. Both Nectar and Dreamcloud are brands of a company called Resident Home, who do furnishings and beddings. And the big deal about Nectar, which you may or may not have heard of, Nectar is the all foam, well, memory foam and all foam mattress. Dreamcloud is the hybrid mattress, memory foam on top, 15 centimeter full-size pocket springs. So it seems becoming more and more popular to have a hybrid mattress now for deep down good support. And so that's where Dreamcloud come in. So Dreamcloud Nectar, the headline is, we don't do 100 nights trial. No, we do 365 nights trial. So you get a year, 1 year to try the mattress. They also, you will see in the headlines, do what they call their forever warranty. What does that mean? Well, yes, we know you can get a 10 year, get 15. They call it forever. They call it a lifetime warranty. What it means is first 10 years, it's much like everybody else. If it's a fault covered by the warranty, as I always say with a mattress, got to check the warranty. Some things are covered, some things aren't. Anything that's covered by the warranty, you get a new mattress. After the first 10 years, it's a repair or replace, and the warranty is only for the original buyer of the mattress. It's not transferable. So I said it's a hybrid mattress. It's a big old mattress. It's 29 centimeters. They headline it as a plush mattress. I'm not sure how much memory foam there is. I know there's 15 centimeters of pocket springs, not just any old pocket springs. These are edge-to-edge pocket springs. That's a big deal. Normally you'll find pocket springs are boxed in with foam because pocket springs not that great on the edge of a bed. Because of the side-to-side movement, you can get the roll-off effect. However, if you get pocket springs that are actually made to go to the edge, that can be taken care of. But normally, as in this Dreamcloud mattress, they're only found in more premium mattresses. And the big benefit is not just that you don't get the roll-off, but you get a consistent feel. So you've got pocket springs edge to edge, and that's the difference. So when you normally get a boxed in, encapsulated hybrid mattress, it's going to feel a little bit different where you've got pocket springs and then on the edge where you've only got foam. So it is something nice to have, edge to edge. As I said, that is something, that's a premium feature to have in your headlines. I'm going to get on, unbox it. I'm not sure what to expect. As I said, 15 centimeters where the pocket springs are. There could be quite a bit of comfort there. They call it plush on the website, and 6.5 out of 10, they describe it. I don't know what that is in their terms, but suggest on the softer side of medium firm, and if that's the case, going to suit me very nicely. Going to unbox it, have a quick look at it, sleep on it, and come back in, review it. Got myself me Stanley knife. There may well be a blade inside, I don't know, but a lot of these mattresses do come with a safety blade because when you take off the wrapping, and in case you didn't know, it's a bed in a box. It will come vacuum packed. Rip off the plastic, watch it inflate in front of your eyes. It's always quite magical when that moment. Obviously, there is an option for a two-man team to bring it to your room of choice, and there's also an option, obviously, for a bit extra to take your old mattress away. But obviously, when you get the mattress, stick it on your bed. Don't stick it on your floor like I do, for the purposes of showing it to you. But stick it on the bed before you start ripping off the plastic top. Now, there we go. We do have, nicely to see, well, an unbranded safety blade. We have a pamphlet Dreamcloud, and we have another pamphlet inside that pamphlet, and it says, "Welcome to our Dreamcloud family. You are now one of the thousands of happy customers who have chosen to embark on a better sleep journey with us." And it tells you, in case you didn't know, how to set up your Dreamcloud mattress. Adjusting to your mattress. Your luxury Dreamcloud mattress is made of premium foam layers over individually wrapped pocket coils, telling you basically what you're going to see on the website anyway. What to expect about the layers, caring for your Dreamcloud, and about the warranty. I will use their safety blade. I should point out Dreamcloud have been around since, I think, the end of 2018, beginning of 2019. And the Nectar seems to be going down well. Doesn't seem to be any major problems that I'm hearing about. You know, given that it's a 365 night trial, people seem to be quite happy with the Nectar, and it's the same deal with the Dreamcloud. Always check for extra labels on the wrapping, and there's nothing there of note. Sometimes you get a warning of some sort. Maybe keep the wrapper out the reach of small children. There was something on the box I was going to show you. 365 night trial, sleeping for 365 nights before deciding Dreamcloud is right for you. It's a climate neutral mattress, and I should also point out it's a CertiPure mattress. In case you didn't know, CertiPure means strict controls over what chemicals can go into the polyurethane elements of the mattress. Focused on low VOCs, volatile organic compounds. Normally the smells that you get from a new mattress are VOCs, and CertiPure is a level above normal, controls that you would get to limit what goes in. Some chemicals are not allowed in at all. So it's a good thing to have, it's a premium thing to have when you have a CertiPure mattress. Just remember, it only applies to the polyurethane foam elements of the mattress, which does include the memory foam. This is quite hard going even with this blade. This is tightly packed. I'm thinking about actually using my standing knife because I'm struggling here. And that's just the outer section. Just which way up is it going to be? I think that's the top. I should say vacuum sealed, not tightly packed. When you think this is going to be 29 centimetres, and it's a little thing like that. Actually, I think this is the bottom. I think I've got it wrong way around yet again. That's definitely the bottom. Ooh, nice to see handles straight away. So we've got a quilted, what they call plush top. And the cover is not just any cover. This is what they call active cooling. So this cover contains in the fabric what they call phase change materials, PCMs, which means it absorbs heat when it needs to and lets go the heat at the appropriate time. So it's temperature regulating, in the same way they always like to describe it as put some solid ice in a hot tea. It takes in the heat, which cools the tea, and at the same time the ice turns to liquid. Its phase, its state has changed in response to it drawing in heat, and so regulating the temperature and helping to keep you sleep cool, which is basically what they're saying. Sometimes a lot of these things are marketing terms, but phase change materials woven into a cover is a real thing. So that is a premium thing that should help you sleep cool. Don't forget, we're talking memory foam on top. Let's see how tall this is, knowing it's going to be 29 centimeters. We're about 24 centimeters, about 5 centimeters, as I said. First of all, mattress after mattress has been coming through as white is great. Hallelujah, finally, for first time as I can remember for quite a while, bit of colour. It's light brown, it's a beige, it's the sort of thing that goes with my carpet for a start. It's going to fit in with most rooms. It's a neutral colour, but it is a colour. I like that. I like the fact I've got handles. Still getting mattresses without handles. I know from the manufacturer's point of view, it's just another thing to fall off and for you to complain about, but it makes life so much easier when we've got handles. Right, first thing, I'm looking for a zip. I don't know if the cover is washable or not. So I'm looking to see if it's removable, because if it's not, I'm going to have to cut it open. I'd like to do that to show you the insides. Nope, we've got a zip, but the zip is on the bottom. Now, fair enough if it's not a washable cover, but it's nice to have the zip on top. When you've got your Super King, you don't have to start slapping it about to get that cover off. So we have a quick look. I have to say, I've been saying this a lot lately, they don't smell. I'm used, for a lot of my mattresses, to absolutely pong. And the last few mattresses I've had, very little smell. And this one, again, almost nothing, a slight smell that close. And that's day one. It's been vacuum packed, and so it's going to hit you rapidly on the first few days as it airs up, features up. Now, I didn't see how long they say to let this air, but I always say 72 hours for any mattress, to let it air properly and let most of those VOCs that are going to leach in the first few days leach out, but also for let it fully regain its height before you start putting compression on it. You know, be fair to the mattress and let it fully deflate properly before you start using it in any meaningful sense. Right, so it's a one piece, so that's as much as I can do with that. And I'm interested to see how big the layers are. Edge to edge pocket springs. It's really nice. It does make a difference when it's that consistent feel across the mattress. So that's nice. So there's a decent dollop of comfort layers. It makes a hell of a difference. And with memory, so that's going to be memory foam on top, and then a firmer polyurethane foam there. So we've got a minimum of probably more than 7 centimeters of comfort layer. So that's great. I do need a lot of comfort layer, otherwise I always end up sticking a topper on my mattresses. So 29 centimeters, 15, that's 14, what's this bottom there? It's about 3, 17. Potentially 9 centimeters of comfort layer, which is good, especially on a hybrid mattress, to minimize the pushback, certainly for side sleepers. So promising. Just to go over, certified, got handles on the edges there. It's a phase change top cover. Now I assume it's polyester, but is there a label? So I'm not seeing the label. I have to have a look for it and report back in the full review. No, I don't see the label. I will investigate further. It does feel like it's going to be nice and plush. Plus pocket, 15 centimeters. That's a good size for a pocket spring. There is a question about how big should pocket springs be? About 10 centimeters minimum for a full size pocket springs, and they tend to go up to about 16 centimeters. All things being equal, bigger pocket springs will allow for more contouring, but it should also overall give a slightly softer feel. Of course, it depends on how many pocket springs there are. And I don't actually have the pocket spring count. That's something else I will have to investigate for the full review. So that's the unboxing. I'm excited to try it, as I am with all my mattresses. It's amazing. I think I've been doing it for 4 years. I still get excited to try a new mattress. You keep thinking, I'm going to finally find one mattress which is the ultimate night's dream sleep, Dreamcloud Dream Sleep. And a lot of them are fine, and it's certainly improved my sleep from years ago when I didn't have a decent mattress. But I can't say, so far I found that one for life, and it's so blissful that I can't wait to get to sleep on. But that's just me, and I do change what mattresses I like, so probably I'm just a bit fussy. But I hope to see you again in my full review. Thank you for watching.